what are you doing here, Richie? Open back. In the bed. He said he wants to be in the bed. Don't know. He wants the bed, he wants the bed, oh, he wants the bed. Oh, what are you doing here, Richie?